after we hit the club, I'ma hit them draws. Yeah, break the call. Every brick shot, so low bitch, yeah, yeah, gangsters, hustlers, busters. Wait a minute, motherfucker. Rich, what?
Hi, and welcome to IKEA. How can I help?
My schedule is crazy. I just want some me time.
Maybe it's time to embrace the joy of staying in. With comfortable beds, pillow and decor, mood lighting, and so much more, you can turn your bedroom into the place to be.
Oh, sounds like a dream.
We've got you. Visit us in-store or at ikea-usa.com/sleep to create your dream bedroom today.
Less is more. No, more is more. That's why Taco Bell's new $7 Deluxe Craving Box is stacked with cheesy think of the 5-layer burrito, double stacked taco, sugar supreme, chips and nacho cheese sauce, and a drink for just $7. Live Lux for less. Taco Bell, and sign up for rewards for every food. At participating Taco Bell stores, anytime more spicy vegetables available, just as food, that's up. The list goes up to 10. Don't turn up like this. This is it. Shop the Lowe's Closeout Event to get up to 70% off select major appliances for your home. Plus, get up to 60% off select patio furniture and accessories under outdoor